Welcome to
Zipa Diana. So hey guys, so we're opening package. I'm going to open it too. Mom, you can open the bed. Oh, so look what we got.
what we got. Alright, what is this? It's a jewelry. Let's see. Oh yes, this is nice.
Want to see it, Mom?
It's a necklace. What else?
And we got this with this.
We also got something like this. And also a full HD webcam.
I want to open this next. Do you need some help? Do you need some help, Mom?
I'm good.
I'll open the bag. So let's see what we got. Oh, we got eyelashes.
Yes, it's a magnetic eyelashes.
Magnetic. That's magnetic. So what we got next is,
What is that?
I don't know.
It's a cross-body shoulder purse or bag. Let's see how it does looks like.
So we
Oh,
got.
this is nice.
So I think this is jeans. So we got jeans.
Okay. All right. This is how it looks like. All right, like that. I think it has a sling. Yeah, it's a sling bag too. So yes, it's a nice stuff. And we also got some. What is this? Sports bra. Sports bra.
So let's see what we got.
We got a. Let's see. Ta-da! What is this? Yeah, it's another sports bra. I get 2 of them in different account, of course.
And you got American flag.
Yeah, it is American flag. It's good for 4th of July.
So we got
4th of July decoration.
pillowcase.
Oh yeah, it's a pillowcase.
And we
How many? 2 pack
mail.
pillowcase, silky.
So we go to open this without the biggie. We have a whole collection of these.
And also we got something that kids will love. What is that?
My favorite.
What else inside?
Oh wow! Wow!
All right, let me help you.
Wow!
Wow. It's a
Can we play with
build and play toy.
this? So let's open it now.
Yeah, so we can open it later.
No.
We need to review it, okay? So for now, if you want to watch a video of us reviewing this product, just watch our next video of this build and play product review.
Thank you for watching. Bye!